Ganun talaga yung life. Love your own. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and before we're going to end this year 2018, what we are going to do right now is to share with you about why I started vlogging. I created my YouTube channel 2015, and then I just started doing some vlogs this year around October. I'm not actually really exposed in doing some vlogs before. I know that there are some vlogs. I did watch some vlogs on Facebook and on YouTube before, and I was influenced also by my little brother to watch some Will Dasovich videos, which I really like it. Around May or June, I think, I started to watch almost everyday vlogs on YouTube, and then I found out Baninay's channel. So I was really hooked up to Baninay's vlogs, and yes, nakakatawa lang talaga si Beninay. Personality niya is talagang yun na yun talaga, parang OA at first, but yeah. So as I keep on watching Baninay's vlog, meron siyang isang video doon na nakita ko. I don't know if it was uploaded under Baninay's account, but it's a short film with Benedict Hua and directed by Direct Bunny Lorgonyo. So doon nakilala ko si Benedict, and I think during that time is si Benedict is not doing some vlogs pa. Because as far as I know, Benedict was influenced by Baninay to do some vlogs. Well, the story behind how they met, alam ko talaga kasi nakita ko to one of their videos. Nagkita sila sa isang event ng kanilang mutual friend, and I think Benedict is asking for Baninay's phone number to make some friends maybe or whatever. Doon nag-start yung friendship nila. And then, it's Baninay who keep on telling Ben na mag-start na ng vlog because it's really fun. And as I found out na nag-vlog na din pala si Benedict Hua, I did subscribe to his channel and watch almost all of his videos. Tapos kilala ko pa kung sino yung mga vlog buddies ni Baninay. So first, it's Baninay, and then si Benedict, si Bani, si Aura, si Jessie, tsaka si Matt. Why and when I started vlogging? Yeah, I've already explained to you why I started vlogging, because I was influenced also by Baninay and the vlog buddies to do some challenges. Nakita ko lang sa mga videos ni Baninay and some other YouTubers, they keep on doing some challenges. Eventually, hindi naman talaga siya nakaplano. I saw one video, it's about bug raid. Me and my colleague Mary is actually planning to do bug raid for the first vlog to my other colleagues. However, naisipan ko na ang first na ibabag grade ko is si Mary na lang. So, yun, inambush ko siya. If you will check my very first video, that's Evacuate with Mary Hya, I'm gonna put the link below. After the upload, nakaka-receive naman ako ng mga positive feedback na nakakatawa talaga from my coworkers, from my colleagues, from my friends, kasi in-upload ko sa Facebook, kapalan na mukha. So, di talaga ako used to sa pagsasalita in front of a camera or doing some stuffs in front of camera because conscious talaga ako sa mga angle-angle niyan. And hindi naman talaga ako kagwapuhan sa camera, pero go pa rin ang go. Dahil sa positive feedback, I got maybe konting subscribers from there, and then mga views, and then meron ding mga nagko-comment na natutuwa talaga sila, and then they like the video. That's why I was encouraged to do more videos, some challenges. Actually, gusto ko talaga mag-travel kaso walang time, and then most importantly, wala pang budget for traveling. And then since I've decided to do more vlogs, to do more videos, I did watch some YouTube influencers videos online as well. It's from YouTube as well. So kumuha ko ng mga tips doon kung paano magsasalita in front of the camera, how to angle. I don't know if this angle right now is perfect, but yeah, this is the most convenient na nagawa ko ngayon. I wanted to share as well that when I started doing vlogs, I'm using my phone. It's an iPhone 6, and I'm using iMovie editor, which I am still using iMovie editor up to now. Well, nung nagkapera ako konti, which is a 13th month bonus from the company, is bumili na lang ako ng second-hand camera. Second-hand muna kasi wala pa talaga naka-budget para sa camera. Currently, I'm using now the Sony Cybershot WX500, and thank you so much to Honey Rose. Shout out to you, Honey Rose, for giving me this in a low price. Yeah, since October, I keep on uploading videos, and up to date. It's December. I have around 15 videos already. And I always keep on reminding myself that I do vlogs for myself to entertain others but not to please everyone. Yun yung description ko sa YouTube channel ko as well. Kasi nga, ginawa ko na lang tong hobby. I'm not expecting anything. Pagkakapera sa YouTube is bonus na lang yan. And if you get more and more and more subscribers, super bonus na yan. At of course, magiging happy ka naman. Maraming nagkakagusto sa mga videos mo if they subscribe to your channel. And if they like the video, if they have positive comments, you will be encouraged mo na gumawa pa ng more videos, and those are bonuses. But eventually, at the end of the day, or the bottom line is, you're happy what you're doing. Based on my experience, I'm happy what I'm doing. I'm happy while I'm editing, especially if natapos ko na yung video. Para akong sira kasi even if paulit-ulit ko nang pinanonood yung mga videos ko, is natatawa pa rin ako. Pero, yeah. Ganun talaga yung life. Love your own. My plans this coming 2019 is to upload more videos, I think. Well, honestly, I do have some pending videos pa sa phone ko na dapat i-edit. So, by next year ko na siguro to i-upload. But eventually, gusto ko lang i-share yung lahat before we ended the year. And Happy New Year, everyone! Hope for a joyous and productive and more blessings to come this year 2019. But anyway, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching again for this video, and hope you like it. Don't forget to comment as well and subscribe. Please spread positivity. Bye.